Hello everyone, welcome to numerical series of network theory. And today this question is asked in 2019 spring of Pokhara University. And the numerical problem is for the network shown in the figure below, the switch key is open at t equal to 0. Find I0 plus di0 plus upon dt d square I0 plus dt square. This is the circuit diagram and the solution. The current I is not specified as assuming is to be current through the inductor. So at t equal to 0 minus the circuit become this. Here uh, inductor is open and capacitor is short circuit. Now I0 minus equal to 0 ampere due to short circuit due to switch K at t equal to 0 plus the circuit become this. This is open and this is short and switch is also open. For inductor I0 plus equal to I0 minus equal to 0 ampere. For capacitor V0 equal to 0 voltage. Since the given circuit is parallel, so V equal to voltage across load inductor capacitor is equal. So V0 VL0 plus equal to V0 equal to 0 volt, and we have VL0 plus equal to L di0 upon dt, that is 0 plus 0.2 into di0 plus upon dt. So di0 plus upon dt equal to 0 ampere per second. If IC be current through capacitor as shown in the figure, then IC0 plus equal to 5 ampere, or C dV 0 plus upon dt equal to 5. So the value of C is 1 by 3 already given in the question. So 1 by 3 dV 0 plus upon dt equal to 5. So dV 0 upon dt equal to 15. Cross multiply, you can get 15 volt per second. And dVL 0 plus upon dt equal to dV 0 plus upon dt equal to 15 volt per second. Therefore d upon dt equal to 0.2 into di0 plus upon dt equal to 15. So 0.2 d square I0 multiplying this by here, we can get d square I0 upon dt square equal to 15. So d squared I0 upon dt equal to 75 ampere per second.